Looking for the perfect finish for your wooden door? Pakintabin at pagandahin natin yan gamit ang Davies Diamante. Ang Davies Diamante ay isang one-component polyurethane coating, no need for hardener or catalyst. Ito ay easy to apply at easy to maintain pa na magpapatibay at magpapakintab ng inyong wooden door. Materials needed: Davies Diamante Super Gloss, Reducer, Oil Wood Stain, Wood Sanding Sealer, paintbrush, putty knife, clean rag, at sandpaper. Bago ang application, siguraduhin malinis at free sa kahit anong contamination ang surface at lihain. Kung gusto nyo kulayan for added finish, pwede kayo gumamit ng oil wood stain. Mag-apply ng 2 coats gamit ang paintbrush at basahan para may kalat at pantay sa wood surface na may 1 hour drying time between coats. Patuyuin ng 5 to 10 hours. I-lightly sand muna bago mag-apply ng 2 coats ng sanding sealer para ma-seal ang wood pores so finishes don't absorb unevenly at to smoothen the wood surface completely. Davies Nitro Sanding Sealer ang gagamitin natin, ang all-new product ng Davies Paints. Putty knife na lang ang gagamitin sa pag-apply. No need for compressor or brush. Let it cure for 15 minutes then sand bago mag-apply ng second coat. I-apply ang second coat. Let it dry for 15 minutes ulit at lihain bago mag-apply ng Davies Diamante. Next, i-prepare ang Davies Diamante at mag-dilute ng 1 liter per 4 liters ng Davies Diamante. Mag-apply ng 2 coats with smooth and even strokes gamit ang paintbrush. Let it dry for 2 hours. I-apply ang final coat. Curing time. Let it cure for 7 days. At ganun lang pagandahin at pakintabin ang inyong wooden door gamit ang Davies Diamante. High Gloss Hard Defense.
Brought to you by Davies Paints. Basta pintura, hanapin ang Tatak Davies. Paint reinvented.